Okay, Kyle here from 9457A MEHSRobotics, and I'm here to bring you a clutch. And I'm going to go through what it is, how it works, the pros and the cons, and where would you use this. Now let's start with what it is. This here is a friction plate clutch, and the way it works is you move these two discs or wheels between each other, and to disengage it you have to move it away via this, sliding this gear this way. So therefore this and this are not touching. Now to engage the friction plate clutch, you push it in, therefore moving the gear that way, and now the plates are connected. The pros of this clutch is the ability to disengage the drive and the driven completely with no attachment whatsoever. Now, where would you use this type of clutch? One area that you might use it for systems that you've built is that if you need to engage it but you can't engage it completely. If you do, you might stall the motors. So what you can do is have it where it slides, it slips. And when it slips on the second plate, that allows you to power the system, but not to the point where you are overpowering the motors and stalling them, which, as those who know and have stalled motors, that's quite annoying. Okay. Now, I think I've covered this type of clutch well enough that you should be able to go out and build it. But a little bit of information that will help you is on how to make these plates. Now, if you notice here that this doesn't look like 4-inch wheel spokes. Well, it isn't. These are the 84 tooth gears. And now, the way you do this is you take the 4-inch wheel and you remove the rubber from the wheel. So therefore, this will be, the green will be on its own. So you take the rubber and then you put it around the 84 tooth gear. That allows you to attach a second gear, which is right here, and then if you can see right in there, that shiny bit is a shaft collar, allowing you to make sure that there isn't a axle sticking out on the side causing resistance, because these need to freely move on their own, and they can't do that if they're connected.